Hello everyone, happy Monday. This video is for B cohort students because you have your at-home assignment here on Monday. A cohort, we will talk about this all at our Zoom meeting today at 10:20, but B students. So here's what you need to do. You are going to watch this video, obviously. I will link it here when I am done recording. Then you are going to write paragraph 2 in the essay organizer. I'll go over that in a second. And then you are going to take what you wrote in paragraph 2 and copy and paste it into your essay document. This needs to be done by Thursday when we have class, because on Thursday we will be reviewing paragraph 2. So once again, today what you need to do, your assignment is you need to do paragraph 2 in both the essay organizer and the essay document. So just to review, I know we talked about this last week, but your essay organizer looks like this, right? You should have your intro done. You should have body paragraph 1 done. And now you're going to body paragraph 2. This is my example, so that's why it's all filled out. Remember, I'm writing my example on Katniss. So this paragraph is the exact same as paragraph 1, except it has a new topic. So instead of personal attributes, personality, and physical description, this paragraph is about your character's relationships. The first half will be about your character's family relationships, and the second half will be about your character's other relationships, friends, mentors, enemies, etc. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to fill out all these sentences. So add your own sentences. Remember to make all your writing in blue. I'll just remind you that at the top of your essay organizer there is a body paragraph 2 pre-recorded YouTube video that you can watch that explains how to write it. But once you finish filling this out, you will then copy and paste everything you added, everything in blue, and you will copy and paste it into your essay document. So this will eventually become your final essay. So you will copy and paste everything here, right? So your intro should already be in here, first body paragraph should already be in here, and then you will do your second paragraph here. Second body paragraph, rather. So you'll start typing that there. That's your goal for today. That's what you need to accomplish. That must be done by Thursday. Just to kind of preview ahead, Wednesday, if you need any help on that paragraph, please pop in here to the Zoom call and I can help you. I'm available 12:05 to 3:30. I'm just opening it up to anyone at any time. Come whenever you need help. And then this is important. That's why it's highlighted in green. I will be checking your essay progress on Wednesday. If you are super behind, if you don't have paragraph 2 done yet, if you are even more behind than that, I'm going to be reaching out to you, and most likely I will be emailing you and your parents in a joint email. So I'm not trying to bust anyone, but I'm trying to motivate some of you guys to get moving because this essay is due next week. And then Thursday we will have our Zoom meeting and we'll talk about the other 2 paragraphs of our essay. But please, please, please do not work too far ahead. I have found that those of you who are working ahead often do things incorrectly, and then you make more work for yourself because you have to go back and fix it. Do not be submitting anything. Just really try to stay on track. It's okay if you want to start paragraph 3 a little bit, but really today just focus on paragraph 2, double check to make sure your intro and paragraph 1 are done well, and please email me if you need help with anything. I will see you all on Thursday.